So you wash up to the elbows?
Okay. Wash up to your forearm. Make sure you get under your nails. You want to clean each nail. You want it to be lathered enough where you're making sure you're lathering